We need a change that will make our fathers proud of the nation they founded. We need to return to the original vision of a selfless leadership that will be a light unto other nations. We need to secure this country and its future by building a mighty democracy that can endure and withstand the worst of the challenges to our nationhood that might emerge in future. And I believe it is possible. It can be done. We can do it. God bless Kenya.
Sunday, we may sit for a short while. I think as you are listening to the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, I'm sure you are burning what happened to our Kenyan dream. What happened to our Kenyan dream? We are the generation today that we can turn that dream into a reality. If all of us can stand up and say no to the vices that are eating us. Kenya is not a poor nation. We are a rich country, but the country is being mismanaged by people who are not ready to take us to Canaan.